Alright, in this video I'm going to be making Grind Hard Plumbing Co.'s monster chopper into this, what do you call it, into a Hot Wheels car. So sort of like this, but the monster chopper. I'm not trying to copy it or anything. I just thought it was a really cool creation and I wanted to recreate it into a Hot Wheels car. Alright, I'm going to get started on making it. It's going to have full suspension, a tubing frame, and a model engine in the middle. Alright, I'm going to get started by drilling out these wheels. Spin the bearing. I gotta find a piece of metal. Alright, I just got these pins into the wheels. Now I just need to make custom brackets coming off of it. Oh, it just fell out. I gotta get that back in there. Alright, now I'm gonna put hot glue right in here so this pin doesn't fall out, and this will not have steering, but I'll make it look like it will. Steering's too hard with these wheels. Alright, I'm gonna glue that once my hot glue gun warms up. The hot glue gun's all warmed up, and I just gotta fill this with hot glue. I already started bending this for the front wheel. There it is. There. I started bending this for the front wheel. Next one. Alright, I filled them both with hot glue. Now that I did that, I just have to design this front wheel. So hard. There it goes. I have to put this on here somehow. Wait. I don't know why I can't get it in there. 1 second, I'll almost get it. There it goes. I'll put that onto there, just like that, and then it'll look like it'll be able to steer on here. Alright. And this the right way. That sort of looks like it. There. Alright, now I'm just gonna make a bracket to connect these two. These. Alright, make the bracket. Alright, I just threaded this end, so this bolt right here screws onto it. Now I have to drill or solder on this piece just like that, and then I can finish building the rest of the chopper thing, monster chopper. It didn't work. Put a new glove on. And then around this, I'm going to wrap electrical tape and then cut it out to make it actually grab on there. Alright, I'm going to wrap the electrical tape around it. Alright, just finished wrapping it with electrical tape. Now I just need to build the triangle pieces that go between these bars. I'll cut those out and I'll turn it back on when I glue them on. Alright, I'm gluing on the one that goes from here to here. New hot glue. There. Alright. Now I'm just going to build a bunch of more of those going all around this side, and I'll turn the camera back on when I finish those up. Alright, I finished the front part. The wheel just screws in right there. It can't turn, but it looks like it can. So I think it's pretty good. Tomorrow I'm going to work on the back of it, and I'll try and get the video out tomorrow, which will be Saturday. I'll try my hardest. Alright, cut to that clip. Alright, I just finished making this back piece. I have to make another one and then connect it to the wheel and then connect this front piece. This front piece right here to the back piece like that. Alright, I'm gonna make another one of these and connect it to the wheel using this, which I already showed you on the front one, and I'll come back when I'm connecting the two pieces. Alright, I just finished putting it all together. I made the back wing on it. Now I just need to make the radiator in the very front, put the handlebars on it, and maybe I'll make some lights for it. First I'm going to make the radiator. Alright, I finished it. It's not fully done yet. I'll post another video on making lights, the gas tank on it, and maybe I'll watch the video again and try and figure out what it all needs to make it look sort of like the original. Alright, thanks for watching.